You're listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today I'm going to talk about how to book Pearson VUE exam for Saudi Arabia, especially for Scfhs, Saudi Commission for Health Specialties. This video is very helpful for all the healthcare practitioners who are trying to work in Saudi Arabia. The step 1 to book Pearson exam is to create your Scfhs Momaris Plus account, and this is possible only after data flow verification. After completing your data flow verification, you have to sign up for Momaris Plus. First of all, you must create your account on Momaris Plus and go to the Scfhs Momaris Plus website, sign up or log in. Upload your documents. Once your documents are approved, you will receive exam eligibility in your Momaris account. Without the eligibility, you cannot book the Pearson exam. So now let's discuss how to book the exam. There is your application is submitted, notification from Momaris Plus. Now we'll check the email from Momaris Plus or Pearson. This is the email from Pearson VUE, confirmation email with the authorized candidate name and the candidate authorized date in which you have to book your exam, candidate ID, and the exam name. So after this, you will get another email from Pearson VUE exam that will show you temporary password and with the website. So you have to copy this temporary password and click on the website of Pearson. Now here you will search Saudi Commission for Health Specialties. So here we go, Saudi Commission for Health Specialties. Now you have to log in this Pearson website. So here you go. You have to put the username that was given in Pearson email and the candidate ID that is the username. Plus you have to add the temporary password here. So here we go, schedule an exam and view an upcoming test center appointment. We'll click here. And this is all the policy, admission policy, ID, must contain your photograph, Arabic or English, will valid, acceptable ID include. Scroll down. Here are some policies for reschedule policy, cancellation policy, and click on agree. So here you have to choose your test center country. So we will select here Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So you have to type here your country name in which you have to give or you have to sit for your exam. Okay, now search for this and here we go. We have received 4 test centers in Riyadh, and obviously one should select 4 to 5. One should select the most nearest center. So we will select this one and click on the next. So here we go, select the date. Now you have to choose the month and then the available dates. So available dates in December are 29 and 30. So we'll select this 29 date. Okay, now you can also select the hours of your exam and time of your exam. So here are the given times. You can set your exam time by yourself. So we'll select this one. So 11:30 a.m. Okay, so we have selected the date and the time, and here we go. So this is the appointment, exam, and all the details, location and price 239 Riyal, Saudi Riyal. Okay, your first given and the last name should match exactly as appears in the ID. Okay, proceed. With tax, this amount will be 274 Saudi Riyal with 35 tax. So select now, you can select the payment method and we are selecting Visa, and now you can pay your exam fee, and just have your exam confirmation email print out and your ID or passport with yourself while going for exam. So this is all for Pearson, how to book for Pearson exam. We also have a video on how to schedule your prometric exam, so kindly must visit our channel and watch that video also, and share this video with all your colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.